So today we are having an astonishing device that will let you fast charge your multiple devices at once. Hey guys, welcome back to the Enoylity Technology, and today we are having this Cirtek X6 3-port wall charger. It's a 65W gallium nitride charger which supports PD fast charge and 3.0 quick charge, which is mentioned on the box. Now opening up the box, first we get the charger in a white color, coming with 12 months warranty card with the QR code on it and a thank you card. Let's keep them aside and have a look on the charger. The design of the charger is a little bit similar to the Apple's 67W power adapter. It also has all the information on the side through which you can know the amount of power provided by each port. Also, it has foldable prongs, but they are really hard to take out. This charger comes with 3 ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. If you single use the USB-C port, it will give you a 65 watts of maximum power output. And if you use the USB-A, it will give you a 30 watt of maximum power. It can even charge your iPhone 13 Pro to 50% in just 25 minutes. Your MacBook Pro from 0 to 100% in only 2 hours, and your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus to full charge in just 1.5 hours. It uses the gallium nitride technology, which gives you a superior safety function. It protects your device from overcurrent, overheating, overvoltage, short circuit, overcharge and overload. Apart from this, it reduces the power consumption effectively and improves charging efficiency. The single charger is widely compatible with your laptops, tablets, smartphones, your earbuds and much more devices. So now let's go and charge our devices and see what it really offers. So this was all about the gallium nitride X6 fast charger from Cirtek, a 3-port 65W USB wall charger. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.